What if I told you that creating hundreds of professional-looking AI videos of yourself doesn't require fancy equipment, a film crew, or even recording a single second of footage? I'm serious, all it takes is just one photo, and I'm about to walk you through the exact workflow I use to turn a single image into unlimited AI videos that look like they were shot by a professional team. Most people think you need dozens of training images, complex setups, or spending hours learning multiple tools to get consistent results with AI video generation. But nobody's telling you there's a simpler way that actually works better. I've spent months testing every major AI video platform out there, burning through credits, trying different methods, and honestly getting frustrated with inconsistent results. But then I discovered this one image workflow inside OpenArt that completely changed everything. OpenArt is basically an all-in-one platform that gives you access to all the best AI image and video models in one place, so you don't need to have multiple subscriptions or learn different tools. And the best part is that it takes about 10 minutes to set up, and then you can generate as many videos as you want with perfect consistency every single time. So in this video, I'm going to show you the complete step-by-step process, from creating your character with just one photo, to generating your first AI video, to taking it even further with advanced techniques that make your content look absolutely professional. By the end, you'll have everything you need to start creating your own AI videos without ever touching a camera. Let's get into it. If you want to follow along, I'll leave a link for OpenArt in the description below. The first thing we need to do is create your AI character, and this is honestly the most important step because it will allow all of your generations to be consistent. When you log in to OpenArt, you'll see the homepage with several options. What we want to do is hover over character on the left side and click Create Character. You'll see 3 different options. You can start with a description, start with 1 image, or start with 4+ images. Most people get confused because they think more images equals better results. And while that's true, the single image method has become so advanced that it produces incredible consistency without all the extra work. So we're going to click Start with 1 image. Before we go any further, let me tell you what makes a good reference photo, because this matters more than you might think. You want a clear, front-facing or 3/4 view photo where your facial features are visible and well lit. It doesn't need to be a professional headshot or anything fancy. A good selfie works perfectly fine, just make sure the lighting is decent and your face isn't covered by shadows or hair. I'm using this photo of myself right here, and as you can see, it's just a simple, clear shot with good lighting. Once you've selected your image, you'll need to give your character a name. I'm going to name mine Isa, then click Create Character. OpenArt is going to train a custom model based on your image, and this usually takes about 5 to 10 minutes. What's happening behind the scenes is that the AI is analyzing your facial features, proportions, and unique characteristics to create a model that understands exactly what you look like. This is what allows it to generate you in completely different scenarios while keeping your face perfectly consistent. Once your character is trained, you'll see it appear in your character library. Click on it and you'll enter the generation workspace. At the top, you'll see prompt and reference, and this is where you describe the scene you want to create. Keep in mind that the way you write your prompts makes a huge difference in the quality of your results. You want to be specific about the environment, the lighting, and the mood. For example, instead of just saying standing in a park, you'd write something like Isa standing in a sunlit park during golden hour, surrounded by blooming flowers, soft, natural lighting, cinematic quality. The more detail you give, the better your results will be. Let me show you by creating 3 different scenes. For the first one, I'll type Isa walking through a field of glowing lavender at twilight, soft purple and pink hues in the sky, ethereal lighting, flowing white dress, romantic and magical atmosphere. Before I generate, let me show you the settings you need to pay attention to. First is character weight. I keep this around 0.7 to 0.8 because that's the sweet spot for maintaining consistency while still allowing natural variation. Then there's keep clothes the same. If you turn this on, your character will stay as similar to your training image as possible. If you turn it off, you can have more variety by changing outfits and hairstyles while keeping your face consistent. For this first generation, I'll keep it on. I'll also make sure the aspect ratio is set to 16:9 since we're creating content for video. Now I'll click create. Look at that. The result is stunning. It's clearly me, but in this completely dreamy environment with that soft, romantic lighting that makes everything feel like a fairy tale. The consistency is perfect, and the quality looks professional. Let me create a second scene to show you how versatile this is. This time, I'll type Isa walking along a quiet beach at golden hour, soft waves in the background, wearing a flowing linen dress, warm sunset glow, peaceful and dreamy coastal vibes. I'll generate that, and once again, perfect consistency. It's still my face in a completely different setting. For the third scene, let's do something cozy and intimate. I'll write Isa sitting by a window on a rainy day, wrapped in a soft blanket, holding a warm cup of tea, gentle, natural light, peaceful and serene atmosphere. Generate that, and wow, this feels so warm and inviting. So now we have 3 completely different images, all with perfect facial consistency. Now comes the really exciting part, bringing these images to life. Once you have an image you love, you'll see a button at the top that says Image to Video. Click that, and it'll open up OpenArt's video generation workflow. You'll choose your video model from the drop-down. OpenArt gives you access to several options, and each one has different strengths. For realistic human motion and natural movement, I recommend using Kling 2.5 because it handles facial expressions and body movement incredibly well. So I'll select Kling 2.5 from the drop-down. In the prompt box, you need to describe the motion you want to see. This is crucial because the AI needs to know exactly how you want the scene to move. Now, if you're not sure how to write a good motion prompt, you can actually ask ChatGPT to help you. Just say something like, help me write a cinematic motion prompt for a lavender field scene where the character is walking forward, and it'll give you a prompt that's ready to use. Based on what ChatGPT gave me for the first image, I'll just paste in this right here. You can pause and read it if you want. Then I'll set the duration to 5 seconds and the quality mode to Pro for the best results. Click Create and the AI starts generating your video. This usually takes a few minutes depending on the model and settings you chose. Look at how natural the movement is. The way the lighting shifts as I move, the subtle facial expressions, the smooth camera motion. It all feels incredibly realistic. Let me do the same thing with the beach scene. For this one, I'll paste in this prompt right here. Generate that, and once again, the result is beautiful. The motion feels authentic, like genuine footage from a lifestyle vlog. Remember that I'm getting all these detailed prompts that create stunning results from ChatGPT, so you don't need to think about it yourself. So for our cozy scene, I'll paste this. And this result looks absolutely incredible. Wide sweeping camera movement, natural wind effects, dramatic lighting. It's the kind of shot you'd see in a high-budget production. So now you know the complete workflow for generating unlimited AI videos of yourself from just one single image. You create your character with one clear photo, generate images in whatever scenarios you want, and then bring those images to life with AI video generation. With OpenArt, you get access to all the best models in one place, which means you're not constantly switching between platforms or managing multiple subscriptions. Everything flows together in one simple, powerful workflow. If you want to start creating your own AI videos, click the link in the description and sign up for OpenArt. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.